Here's Cosmas and Biddybuddy. Cosmas can tend to be aggressively affectionate towards our Biddybuddy, who is a new bird. And sometimes they just like to hang out, but sometimes they also chase. Now, Biddybuddy, we believe, is a male, while Cosmas is a lady. Although we named her Cosmas before we knew. She was a girl. What do you think, birds? Sometimes, too, they just like to hang out. Biddybuddy climbed out on my arm when I was trying to feed him, and then climbed up the cage. So sometimes he likes to go out, but then after a little bit he tries to get back in his cage, so we have to help him back in.